This video demonstrates using the dry contact module with a PIR motion sensor. The demo setup includes the system power module, the IoT smart gateway, the relay switch module, the dry contact module, and a 6-button smart panel, and a dry contact PIR sensor. Run the editor software and create a new project. Search for the gateway IP and connect. Then this is the system environment we have set up: the gateway, the relay switch module, the dry contact module, and a 6-button smart panel. Import all devices with one click. Create control points. First, add relay switch module ports. Next, add the dry contact module ports. The PIR sensor is connected to the dry contact inputs. The dry contact module works like a passive panel. Add the panel key values as well for function binding. Next, create scenes. Create an all-on scene. And select on action. Create an on-off scene. And select off actions. Now create 2 more scenes: sensor enable and sensor disable. Next, bind sensor actions. When motion is detected, press action. Trigger the on scene. When no motion is detected, release action. Trigger the off scene. Line panel buttons. Button 1. Sensor enable. Button 2. Sensor disable. Compile and upload the project. Wait for the gateway reboot. After reboot, reconnect the gateway. Enable message monitoring. Trigger the PIR sensor. You can see dry contact open and close actions recorded in the software. When the sensor is disabled, motion will not trigger things. Re-enable the sensor, and motion detection will trigger the lighting scenes again.